Here is The Way of Python by Tim Peters from 1999. Beautiful is better than ugly. Duh.
Explicit is better than implicit.
Simple is better than complex.
Complex is better than complicated. I love that distinction.
Flat is better than nested.
Sparse is better than dense.
Readability counts. I will say it counts for a lot.
Special cases aren't special enough to break the rules.
Although practicality beats purity.
Errors should never pass silently.
Unless explicitly silenced.
In the face of ambiguity, refuse the temptation to guess.
I did not follow that in a very key piece of NumPy, and it's still a mess.
There should be one, and preferably only one, obvious way to do it.
That's a direct reference to Perl's motto of there's more than one way to do it, by the way.
Although that may not be obvious at first unless you're Dutch.
Now is better than never.
Although never is often better than right now.
If the implementation is hard to explain, it's a bad idea.
That's a really good one.
If the implementation is easy to explain,
it may be a good idea.
Namespaces are one honking great idea.
Let's do more of those.
Normally import this, import some useful library, which is very serious business. Having an import this that was just a joke was a bit of lightness that we like to add.